Alright, go.
All through history, mankind has been fascinated by the mysterious. The abominable snowman, Yeti, and Bigfoot. But one they have not yet concluded about. I'm Reynolds, and today you will be going with me to find out about the Leprechaun. They say in this area, mostly because it's green and leprechauns love green. Let's get going. I'm already thirsty. What are you waiting for? Let's go. It is important to stay alive and to eat leaves. They're very nutritious. Have one.
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
They're very delicious.
I'm not supposed to be getting involved.
Fine. That was a yummy leaf.
I imagine.
Also, you should...
Sorry.
Not on purpose.
No, I almost died. Almost fell off that huge rock.
Also, what is important is not to fall off cliffs. And to leave a trail. If it is getting dark, it is important to keep your eyes open. If you fall asleep without shelter, it could rain, it could pour, it could hail, you could wake up in a, I don't know, something. Leprechauns have a very distinctive call. They make a oi oi kind of sound. Nothing like us. Do we have a sound? Call? Different matter. Oh look, it's like marking the tree. Come on, you stupid tree! Maybe if I go up a little.
Don't, you're gonna fall.
My legs didn't move fast enough.